Hello kids, how are you all? Hope you are fine and safe being at home. So today I have come up with an idea of making greeting cards. Okay, and I am going to make a birthday card today. So watch it. First, I'll make one cartoon character, but you can always make of your own choice. Now our figure is ready, so we have to give the final detailing. To make it beautiful, we have to color it. So here we start coloring. Now, my drawing is ready. Our next step is to make balloons on a glitter paper and then carefully cut out the balloons. You can always use different colors. After cutouts, paste it one by one. And we can add string to it. To make it more beautiful, I'm going to add more things like this star. And we can also write messages to our dear one. The left our glitter paper can also be utilized this way. You can cut it randomly of any shape and paste it on your greeting cards. Now our birthday card is ready. So friends, did you enjoy it? If yes, then subscribe my channel dawacanvas.com so that you can enjoy many more interesting videos. Thank you.